Hello, everyone. If you've ever wondered about the difference between a pay equity analysis and an audit, you've come to the right place. This week, we're diving into the details on what sets these two important processes apart when it comes to addressing salary fairness in the workplace. Whether you're an HR professional, a business leader, or just curious about how companies ensure equal pay, this guide will clarify everything you need to know. What is a pay equity analysis? Step 1. Understanding the basics. A pay equity analysis is a strategic approach used by organizations to assess whether employees are being compensated fairly in relation to their peers. The goal is to identify any discrepancies that might exist between different groups based on gender, race, or other characteristics. This analysis typically involves comparing salaries for similar roles, taking into account factors like experience, education, and performance. By doing so, organizations can pinpoint potential areas of inequality and take steps to address them proactively. Step 2. Why conduct a pay equity analysis? Conducting a pay equity analysis helps organizations ensure they are adhering to fair pay practices. It can prevent potential legal issues related to discrimination and enhance employee trust and satisfaction. Moreover, it reflects a company's commitment to creating an inclusive workplace, which can contribute to a positive brand image and attract top talent. What is a pay equity audit? Step 3. Diving into the audit. While a pay equity analysis is an internal review, a pay equity audit is often conducted with the help of external experts or auditors. This process is more formal and comprehensive, involving a thorough examination of the organization's compensation policies, practices, and data. The auditors will gather information on pay structures, employee demographics, and job categories, analyzing the data to provide an unbiased report on pay equity within the company. Step 4. The importance of a pay equity audit. A pay equity audit can offer an independent viewpoint, ensuring that any potential biases in compensation practices are identified and addressed. It is particularly beneficial for organizations that wish to certify their commitment to fair pay externally, demonstrate transparency in their equality effort. Furthermore, having an external audit can often provide insights that might be overlooked internally, helping the company to adopt best practices in compensation governance. Key differences. Step 5. Analysis versus audit. To sum up, the primary difference between a pay equity analysis and an audit lies in their scope and execution. A pay equity analysis is typically an internal process, focusing on identifying and addressing disparities, while a pay equity audit is an external, comprehensive review that seeks to ensure the company's pay practices are equitable and unbiased. Both are essential for maintaining a fair and motivating work environment, but they serve different roles in achieving pay equity goals. In conclusion, understanding the difference between a pay equity analysis and an audit is crucial for any organization committed to fair compensation practices. Whether you're conducting an internal analysis or seeking an external audit, these efforts are vital in promoting equality and transparency in your workplace. By implementing these processes, companies can help create an inclusive environment where everyone is rewarded fairly for their contributions. Remember, taking these steps not only safeguards your organization legally, but also enhances its reputation and helps build a stronger, more dedicated workforce.